Welcome back to Quest for Quiz, the preliminary round of the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores so far read Simon Primary on 5 points and Little London Primary on 24 points. It's now time for Section 3, the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team buzzing in, earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, or lose 2 for each incorrect answer, or if they answer before being identified. So teams, with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with television. What is the name of the tuxedo cat in the Looney Tunes? Sylvester. Sports. For which English Premier League team does the footballer Alexander Lacazette play? Arsenal. Bible knowledge. Jethro was the father-in-law of which leader? Moses. Science. When someone rides a bicycle, where does the fuel that is used up come from? The rider. English language. Spell the word affectionate. Little London.
AFFECTIONATE.
Correct. Music. In 2015, who recorded the single Love Yourself? Little London.
Justin Bieber.
Correct. General knowledge. What are the people of Denmark called? Danes or Danish? Local affairs. Who is Jamaica's ambassador to the United States of America? Audrey Marks. Mathematics. How many degrees does a right angle measure? Little London.
90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Correct. Social studies. Over which 4 parishes in Jamaica does the Blue Mountain stretch? I think you buzz in first. You may answer.
St. Mary, Portland, St. Andrew, and St. Thomas.
Correct. Television. What is the nationality of the actor Ryan Reynolds? Canadian. Sports. What does KSAFA stand for in local sports? Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association. Bible knowledge. Which animal's mouth was shut by angel? Little London.
Lion.
Which animal's mouth was shut by angels and hence did not harm Daniel? Correct. Science. Why do we say a cockroach is an exoskeleton insect? Its skeleton is on the outside of its body. English language. Form a noun from the word fragile. Little London.
Fragility.
Correct. Music. What is the name of the artist who released the song How Am I Supposed to Live Without You? Michael Bolton. General knowledge. What is the official language of Australia? English. Local affairs. Who is the Chief Executive Officer of the National Works Agency? E.G. Hunter. Mathematics. What is the sum of 6.58 and 8.59? Little London.
15.17.
Correct. Social studies. What is the name given? And we won't have time to finish that question. That is the end of the round and the end of today's match.
Well played match by both teams. And at the end of the round, we have Simon Primary and Infant on 5 points and Little London Primary on 38 points.
So congratulations to Little London Primary and well tried to Simon Primary. Please stay with us. We'll wrap things up after these messages.